has a vibrant space program led by the Indian Space Research Organisation (ISRO). The country has also achieved several milestones in space exploration, including landing on the moon Chandrayaan-1 and Mars Mangalyaan, and launching a record of 104 satellites. India also plans to launch its own space station called the Space Station Program in the near future. The Indian Space Research Organisation is the primary agency responsible for India's space program. India's space mission to the moon is called the Chandrayaan program, which is an ongoing series of the outer space mission by the Indian Space Research Organisation. Here are some key points about the mission. Chandrayaan-1 launched in 2008. This mission included an orbiter and an impactor. The orbiter mapped the moon's surface while the impactor crashed into the moon's south pole. Chandrayaan-2 launched in 2019. This mission included an orbiter, a lander, Vikram, and a rover Pragyan. Chandrayaan-3 launched in 2023. This mission included a lander Vikram and a rover Pragyan. It successfully soft-landed on the moon's south pole, making India the fourth country in the world to achieve this feat. The Northeastern Space Application Center plays a catalytic role in holistic development of the Northeastern region by providing space science and technology support at all levels. It was established as a joint initiative of the Department of Space and the Northeastern Council and came into being on the 5th September 2000. The center helps in augmenting the developmental process in the region by providing advanced space technology support. The major objectives of the center are to provide an operational remote sensing and geographic information system, aided natural sources information based to support activities on development, management of natural resources and infrastructure planning in the region, to provide operational satellite communication application services in the region in education, healthcare, disaster management support, and developmental communication, to take up research in space and atmospheric science area and establish an instrumentation hub and networking with various academic institutions of Northeastern region, to enable single window delivery of all possible space-based support for disaster management, to set up a regional level infrastructure for capacity building in the field of geospatial technology.
National Space Day is being organized on 23rd August. As you are aware that India was the first country who landed on the South Pole on 23rd August 2023. Honorable Prime Minister of India then announced that this achievement should be celebrated every year. Hence, on 23rd August, we are organizing this National Space Day. As you are aware that our Chandrayaan-3 mission was successful. On 23rd August 2023, the Vikram lander landed softly on the south pole of the moon. Many observations have been taken place. Success was so important that Honorable Prime Minister of India then announced that the National Space Day will be organized to mark the occasion of the landing of the Vikram lander on the south pole of the moon. Hence, this year we are organizing this event. The main event is going to be held at New Delhi. As you are aware that space technology is utilized for the benefit of the people. And to commemorate this day, it is decided by ISRO that all across the country we have to organize various events. Northeastern Space Application Center, which is the part of Department of Space, is being given responsibility to organize these events in all 8 states of Northeast region. We have organized 10 events in all 8 states, and main event in Guwahati regional event was organized on 16th August. In fact, we started the organization of these events from the Meghalaya itself. At Nongpo, we have organized this event. Under this event, we have called various student youths of the Meghalaya. Various schools have participated in that. I am happy to tell you that more than 350 students attended the program. The program has given them exposure about the space, our Indian space program, how it is benefiting to the common people. Also, we have given knowledge to the student by providing a exhibition so that they should understand what kind of satellite India has, what kind of rockets India has. And a quiz competition was also organized. And such type of programs organized all across 8 states of Northeast region.
have had a wonderful program in the district library organized by NISAC, or Northeastern Space Application Center. Today, me and my classmates, along with many friends from other schools, we have been able to enhance our learning skills in various fields regarding astrology, astrophysics, astrochemistry, and many things regarding space programs.
I think these kinds of programs are helpful for the students of the country, especially to have it conduct in rural areas where many students will be able to explore space through these programs and to have the historical knowledge of how scientists were able to build rockets and send them to space.
space technology is very, very important for the benefit of the people. It is utilized by everybody nowadays. If you are looking at a TV, DTH program, it comes from the satellite. I wanted to know what is the crop acreage. I wanted to know what kind of crop is available, that I can get from the remote sensing. What is the source of the water? How many rivers are there? What kind of rivers are there? How much flow is there? What is the condition of the reservoir? What is the condition of the wetland? How water resources is changing, that I get from the satellite data. Our forest, northeast is rich in forest. Meghalaya itself is very rich in forest. Monitoring the forest is a very, very important aspect, because it gives us a beautiful environment. It gives the oxygen to us. So, from the satellite data, we are mapping the forest, we are monitoring the forest. Any place where deforestation taking place, satellite provide this information. Geological aspect, groundwater potential, these information also we are getting from the space technology from satellite available provided by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organisation. We have many missions, which includes IRS-1A, 1V, IRS-1C, 1D, which was launched in 90s. But after that, we have many new satellites. Basically, we had a ResourceSat, OceanSat, Cartosat series. Lot of information we are getting from these satellites. During disaster also, these satellites provide a beautiful images about what kind of disaster has taken place. Suppose there is a flood. What is the area of the flood inundated? Suppose there is a landslide. Where is the landslide? What kind of landslide? Suppose there is earthquake. What kind of damage has taken place? All these informations we gather from the remote sensing data that comes from the satellites. You may be aware that ISRO has launched even Mangalyaan also. We have reached to the Mars successfully, and that too in the first attempt. It was a great achievement. So many missions are coming up, but our space program is mainly dedicated to the benefit of the people. Hence, Northeastern Space Application Center has been given this responsibility to provide the space information, space data to the common man by giving the information about the natural resource management like agriculture, water resources, geology, geomorphology, urban planning, regional planning, during the disaster, and NESAC is committed to do that. I am happy that such type of technologies are used for the benefit of the people. I call upon the youth of this place, this region. In space you have an immense opportunity. No matter whether you are an agriculture expert, you are a water resource expert, you are a electronic engineer, you are a civil engineer, you are mechanical engineer, you are aerospace engineer. All these people are required in space. I am sure with your knowledge and your hard work, one day you will be the space scientist and you will contribute to this society.
Liftoff will start in T-minus 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have ignition.